Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken stock. Okay, if you watched a couple weeks ago, we showed you how to break down a chicken, so you can go back and check that video out. But in the pot here, I've got the chicken carcass, wings, little wing tips, the heart, the lungs. The only part of the chicken there that you don't want to put in is the liver. That'll cloud up your stock, so you don't want that. Then the other stuff that I have here, I got a bay leaf, a couple of peppercorns, I got some parsley stems. Now over here we have what we call mirepoix. And this will be your basics for if you're making like all your soups, rice, all kinds of stuff where you're putting in onion, carrot, celery. So the basic mirepoix, 2 parts onion, 1 part carrot, 1 part celery. Now for the stock, these don't have to be perfect cuts. We can just make big chops like so. Into the pot she goes. Carrot, notice I didn't even peel the carrot. That goes in the pot. And I'm not going to peel the onion either. So like, you can't even, if you know you're going to be making chicken stock, you can't even save your onion peelings and stuff like if you're making something else. But the one thing that can't go in is the sticker. Make sure you take the sticker off. Now everything in here is going to have its own purpose and add a little something different. But all the flavors are going to come together. You know, it's a lot like people. We all bring something different to the table. But when we all combine our talents, we get something greater than the whole. So I went with 1½ onions, the 1 stalk of celery, 1 carrot. I'm going to add 8 cups of water here. Measuring is, it doesn't have to be perfect. Pretty much you're looking to go about 1 inch over your stuff in the pot. Okay, we're going to fire it up. We're going to bring that to a simmer. And then we're going to keep it real low. We don't want to be boiling. And then as time goes on, we'll kind of just skim the scum off the top. All right, so we want to adjust the heat. So we got a nice simmer going. And then you can see that there's some skim is starting to form on the top here. I'd say about every 20, 30 minutes. Just get a ladle. You kind of press in a little bit. Let the fat and scum fall right into your ladle there. Scoop that off. A little scum. I don't have too much yet. Just wanted to show you what's going on. It's this funky stuff here that we're kind of skimming off. If you don't get it all, don't worry. We're going to strain it off later. So this is going to take about 2-3 hours to cook. 3 hours is good if you're in a rush. 2 hours, I guess. And this is what we're looking for. See, we just have a little bit of a light simmer going. We don't want to boil this. And that's what we're doing. All right, so it's been about 3 hours. And we are going to strain this chicken stock. I'm going to pull the bones out. Instead of trying to pour it all in to strain it, I like to pull out the big stuff. Less spilling. So I'll just pull this stuff out. That looks pretty good. And, you know, you could strain it through pretty much whatever you have. And if you didn't have anything, then again, pick off all the big stuff, and then that's the best you could do. That's the best you could do. Strain that through there. Very nice. Now we have a beautiful chicken stock. Let's get a look at this. right, so now we got our chicken stock. We can make rice, sauces, gravies, soups. But next week, we're going to go ahead and make chicken soup. So be sure to hit subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you see that one coming if you want to watch chicken soup. So thanks for watching, and until next time, keep it real.